welcome back to our channel Dr. Vidya's Health Tips. I am Dr. Vidya Madhuri. Today we'll discuss about the 10 foods you should strictly avoid during pregnancy. As you know, a pregnant woman diet plays a crucial role for the baby's well-being, and the food consumed by mother can directly affect the health of her baby. And before going into the topic, in my previous video, I have mentioned what are the good foods to eat during pregnancy. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it. I'll share the link in the description below. Okay, without delay, let's get into the topic. There are certain foods that a pregnant woman must avoid during pregnancy. So, the first one is brinjal. Brinjal causes high levels of acidity in pregnant women, which may cause anxiety and discomfort. As well, brinjals are enriched with menstruation inducing properties. Due to these properties, sometimes it may also lead to abortion. So, women are advised to avoid brinjal during pregnancy. The second one is sesame seeds. Dry sesame seeds were earlier used as a medicine for causing abortion, as these seeds stimulates the uterine muscles that causes an expulsion of fertilized ovum. Hence, it is advised to avoid during the first 3 or 4 crucial months of pregnancy. The third one is papaya. There is a lot of dilemma in pregnant women about the consumption of papaya. Mainly, raw or unripe papaya contains a substance called latex. This causes uterine contractions which may cause miscarriage or premature birth of baby. And papain and pepsin contents in papaya restricts fetal growth. Hence, papaya is proved very dangerous to consume during pregnancy. The fourth one is pineapple. Pineapple contains a compound called bromelain, which causes softening of cervix and uterine contractions in pregnancy, which leads to unsuccessful labor. And it is believed that pineapple can cause body heated up rapidly, which can cause abortion or premature birth. Coming to the fifth one, grapes. Grapes are rich in natural sugar called fructose, which may cause gestational diabetes. It is a diabetes during pregnancy. It is a form of high blood sugar affecting pregnant women, which affects both mother and baby's health. And due to its high acidic capacity, eating grapes on an empty stomach may cause indigestion. And also, women who have stomach ulcers and digestive tract problems also should avoid eating grapes during pregnancy. The sixth one is raw fish and raw eggs. Raw fish should not be eaten during pregnancy due to its high level of mercury present in it, which may harm baby's developing brain and nervous system and may cause several other infections. Raw or uncooked eggs are completely avoided during pregnancy due to the risk of salmonella poisoning. If a pregnant lady eats eggs of salmonella bacteria, she may experience having abdominal cramps, diarrhea, vomiting, chills, fever, and even miscarriage. The other one is caffeine. Pregnant women are advised to consume less caffeine during pregnancy as it increases blood pressure and heart rate. High caffeine intake during pregnancy may increase birth defects and the risk of low birth weight and also restricts fetal growth. The eighth one is alcohol. Pregnant women are advised to completely avoid drinking alcohol as it increases the risk of miscarriage and stillbirth. Even small amount of alcohol can impact badly on baby's brain development, and it can also cause fetal alcohol syndrome, which involves facial deformities, heart defects, and other birth defects. The ninth one is tamarind. Most women develop a craving for sour tasting foods during pregnancy. Tamarind is source of vitamin C, but excess vitamin C causes harmful effect on pregnant women. Taking too much vitamin C in the first month of pregnancy can reduce the production of progesterone hormone, which can cause abortion. And the last one is dates. Dates cause body to heat up and may lead to uterine contractions by stimulating uterine muscles. Eating 2 to 3 dates are sufficient excess may lead complications. Although overeating is always harmful to a person, especially during pregnancy, and putting on excess weight can develop gestational diabetes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notifications when I post a new video. Thank you all.